Macaroni and cheese. Can you mix up a pan? I'm begging you, please.
Hi, my name is Jhonny. I'm going to show you how to make the best mac and cheese. The things you will need is a pot, a drainer, a spoon, a mac and cheese. Make sure to get Kraft because it's the best, a butter, and milk. First step, put water in the pot until it boils. Okay, our water's boiling now. Get the Kraft mac and cheese box and then take out the packet and pour it in. Hold the pot and stir. Ooh, looking good! We're gonna drain it in a strainer. Put it in the pot. Here we go.
Macaroni and cheese. It's my favorite thing. My favorite thing. My favorite thing to eat.
We're gonna put it back in the pot.
Macaroni and cheese. Can you mix up a pan?
Get the cheese, shake it up to the bottom, open it up, and then put a little bit of cheese.
Cheese and macaroni. If you think I don't like it, then you really don't know me.
Take a stick of butter and put it in. You need a 1/4 cup of milk, pour in slow. Now stir it up. Now it's time to serve with friends.
Macaroni and cheese. Can you mix up a pan? I'm begging you, please.
Mac and cheese is my favorite.
Dude, this looks good.
Listen. Now it's time to grow. Yeah! Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe.